Hello everyone, I'm Tracy, the product manager of Huyu Electric. Today I will take you on a tour of our molded case circuit breaker production workshop. Let's go! This is our automatic comprehensive characteristic testing bench. After the initial assembly, the products will be tested here. The characteristics tested include mechanical running in, synchronization, contact pressure, tripping force, open distance, and loop resistance, etc. to ensure the product meets standards. Next, the products undergo an installation test on this machine to detect the reliability of their dielectric properties. I'm now standing by the aging testing bench. Before shipping out, all molded case circuit breakers undergo full aging tests here. These tests detect the reliability of the controllers and the mechanical components. Only product that pass these tests will be released to market. So, do you have a better understanding of the production process of our molded case circuit breakers now? Thank you for watching and see you next time!